Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com. Okay, making this a small video, just a recap for what happened. Um, this is the chart I made a long time ago, Aussie index, Aussie dollar index weekly chart, 28th April, right? That it's started to drop and then it's going to be dropping. This would be the target, final target, 41.41, and then this yellow line, 38.17. So far what happened, excuse me, so it started dropping and then came down to 41.41. Right now we are there. So over the weekend there was an election in Australia, and I thought since it dropped so much, it probably gonna retrace a little bit. In our 20-minute chart you can see that it was dropped and it's sitting here. The day started here and then it started to go up and getting strong, and it does that all the time, because after the drop, retracement back to this wave, and then that's our setup, and then again drop, retracement. So that was imminent to for that to happen. So I said, okay, Aussie dollar is gonna get strong, going up, index going up. So take Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie short. Yesterday I said in my webinar, and that's what I did. These are my trades. Yesterday, Euro Aussie, when it was there after the retracement, okay, it start to retrace over there, and then these pairs start dropping. Euro Aussie down here for 85 pip, and you can see here Pound Aussie also short, coming all the way down here at 80 pip, right? Another trade that I had yesterday was this Pound Aussie short, and this is based on this chart. Let me show you. I think I have it open here. I think this is the one I'm going to show you. Okay, see, this is my weekly chart I made 3rd May, Pound Aussie, that somewhere here we're going to make the turn and start dropping. So I was looking for short, and then I got one of my short is here on the 16th, the Thursday, last Thursday, for 170 pip, and then this is the one I made the chart on the 17th, on Friday, that is gonna continue going to the downside, and Friday I made the entry again, and this is how it came out, and I closed today for 75 pip. This is weekly chart, based on the weekly chart analysis. So so far these are the 3 trades between yesterday, today, until now, and let's see what happened. What is the theme for now is this. This is index, Japanese index, yen index. Okay, yen index, I made this on a Friday that this is how it is. I made this chart that we're gonna drop from C point to D, and we did, but this is the reversal zone basically. So if we bounce today or tomorrow from here, that's what I'm looking at next. If we bounce from here, yen is gonna get weaker, and all yen pair will be going up. Okay, all yen pairs will be going up because of this index going up. So we got like 7-8 pairs, and I will try to see if I can get maybe 3 or 4 pairs, yen pairs trades, and then I'll show you in the next video tomorrow. Okay, that's how I do my the analysis and the plan, and then use my Magic Ivy system to make entries. For example, for Aussie dollar, for example, Aussie dollar, let me show you the current chart. The current chart, I said that we're gonna go up, and even on the Telegram today, I said to everyone that be careful, 41.95 may hold and we may drop in Aussie dollar, and then Aussie dollar again we're gonna get weaker, and then Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie will go up. And since then, what happened? I made my entry. Let me show you this chart here. Probably, yes, you see that? Okay, so this is my entry here after bouncing and drop a little bit and then start bouncing, and it's a little bit late entry, but yeah, I made it. And then few pips. The target is this, because the time is very bad now. It's 3 o'clock, so it's dangerous. So if it goes there or not, I don't know. But I'm sitting on the break even, so no hard feeling, right? Even if I get knocked out, if I go, if it goes all the way, then I'll get lucky, right? So this is how it is. But just keep in mind that this is the one the next theme is this yen index if we start bouncing. So we need a news or something that will make yen weaker. If it start going to the upside, it will get weaker and all yen pair will be going up, and then I'll be hunting for those long in yen pairs. And if I take them, if that happen, I'll take them, and then when I take them using my magic average system, I will make that video and then I'll show you how I did it. And this is a simple way that, just like these trades. That's what it is. This is the this is the short entry. Every time this indicator is all the way up and then we are making lower high, that's the one. Not this. This is the lower. Yeah, you can take this entry here, but you may lose here 4 or 5 pip here, and then this one took me all the way down. If not this one, even this one, right here. So any of these entries of so many entries here will do the job. That's how it is. So this is it for now. Like I said, that if yen trades, I take them tonight, then I'll show you tomorrow in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.